Are you looking for a home with boating facilities and deep water access? Welcome to 4 Commodore Court, Banora Point. I'm Chris Holt from McGrath Estate Agents. Let's take a look around. Located in a quiet cul-de-sac street on a prized 800 square metre waterfront parcel, this single-level 4-bedroom home offers great facilities for entertaining family and friends. Beautifully styled with timber floorboards throughout, this home offers generous living spaces. The central kitchen with the servery window overlooks the undercover alfresco entertaining area, and from there you capture those amazing water views. All 4 bedrooms offer built-in robes, while the master suite boasts a walk-in robe and those stunning water views. Outdoors you'll find great boating facilities with a sandy beach, boat ramp and a generous 8-metre long pontoon. Other features include a sun-drenched timber deck overlooking the sparkling water, a double-car garage and another single drive-through garage which leads all the way to the water. If you've been searching for a home which offers a perfect combination of style and comfort, then you don't want to miss out on this great opportunity. Just a short drive to shops, quality schools, Gold Coast Airport, this is a must to inspect. So if you're looking for a home with great boating facilities and room for all the family, this is one you have to come and inspect. I'll look forward to seeing you at an open home soon.